Hey, beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. For the people that are new to my channel, hi, I'm Tasha and welcome. I would like to start off by saying Happy New Year to each and every one of you. I know we're in our fourth month and I haven't uploaded in a long time. But I just wanted to say Happy New Year to each and every one of you. I hope and pray that your year is filled with blessings upon blessings. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I obtained this cute hairstyle. All the products I used, like always, I will leave it down below in the description box. If you have any questions or comments, please be sure to leave them down below in the comment section. And if you liked and enjoyed this video, then please smash that like button and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I know my hair is giving very much voice te makar, but I'm firstly going to start off by sectioning the piece that I will be using for my side bang. Now I'm going to be braiding off that section of hair just so that it can be out of the way. Next, I'm going to be adding a little bit of water to my hair and then I will start detangling it. Next, I will be adding the olive miracle anti-breakage growth oil to my hair. Shout out to my cousin Jocelyn for putting me onto this product. And thereafter, I will be adding oil moisturizing lotion from Cosmetics. Absolutely love these two products. They moisturize my hair so well. Next, I will be brushing my hair and tying it up into a ponytail. Thereafter, I will apply some Vida molding gel just so that it can be as slick as possible. This next step is optional, but I love to do my edges, so next I will be doing my edges. Next, I will be adding the braiding egg and then I will form a bun with it. Next, I will be flat ironing my bang. Next, I will just be adding some egg accessories. And here's the final look, guys. If you made it this far into the video, I would just like to say thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it, and please don't forget to subscribe and click that bell so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. See you in the next one. Bye.